welcome guys. Today we're installing a blow-up valve on the little turbo bucket. Stocks Autosport is supporting us on this video. Let me show you what we got. So this is what we got: a blue silicone hose from ForTwo, a blow-up valve. The one that I got is a kit. It's a whole kit. It comes with a silicone hose, another one, the little things to hold the hose, and the blow-up valve. You can also get every single bit by itself, but I got the whole kit. So let me open everything. This is the blow-up valve. It's looking pretty sweet. So let me grab my tools and let's jump into the video. So guys, for starters, we had to take off the rear bumper because on the hose there is one clip that for you to be able to get it out, you have to fit your hand underneath the bumper and unscrew the little clip. Now I successfully removed the hose in this little video. It wasn't really hard, but I had to get underneath. Now here the hose has been removed, and now in the most video you see, this took me about like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. It wasn't like really easy because someone had to hold the little clip so it doesn't spin, and I had to lay under the car and screw it in slowly, try to get it mounted and tight. Here I was test fitting how everything fits, checking how it's going to go. I screw the first side, which was the very easy one. It was to the throttle body, and now the hard part. As you see, my hand is from underneath. I was laying under the car trying to screw the hose. This took me like such a long time. I was just trying, because even the person from up top, he can't hold the clip. It's very hard for them. So anyway, after a really long time, we managed to make it tight and make everything perfect. Now at this part of the video, I had to make the vacuum connections, which was a bit strange at first because I couldn't really figure it out. But then I watched a couple pictures, and you have to cut one end of the hose, connect it to the vacuum, and then the hose that was onto the vacuum, you have to put it from the bottom of the T and then connect the blow-up valve. guys can see, the blow-off valve has been fitted. The sound of it is very nice. I'm just taking the car for a spin real quick to see how it sounds. Let's do a little sound test. It has the little nice whistle that usually it's very hard to get. In general, it sounds very good, but after a long time it gets a bit annoying, but you have to deal with it. Guys, for a little smart car, which is like 700cc, the sound of it is very strong and very loud. Something that I wasn't expecting. But it's fun. Everyone is looking at you. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.